Hello, dear William. For change motor, firstly you need to take off these two screws and take off this cover. Firstly, we need to take off the broken old motor. There are 4 screws connected to the motor. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screws. And here you can see the belt inside. When you change motor, get another one to help you to hold the belt. Because when we take off the motor, the wheel will come out with the motor. You have to find someone to hold the belt, to pull the belt. Don't make it drop, because if we take this away, it will be loose and it will drop down. But don't make it drop down, or the machine position will be different. So ask someone to pull the belt, hold the belt position, and then you can take the motor off. 电机拿下来就好。Yes, and you can take the motor off. And here you see, the belt must be held. When you take off the motor, there is a belt wheel like this. Remember this position and the distance here. Take off this. There are screws. 1, 2, 2 screws connect the motor and the wheel. Take off these 2 screws and take off this wheel, and then assemble it on the new motor. Make sure the distance is the same as you take it off. After you assemble it well, you can assemble the new motor back on the machine. This drag the belt, and then fix these 4 screws.